Today, I'll show you how to link your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 5. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. You are not really merging Exness and MetaTrader 5 into one new account. What you do is open or use an MT5 trading account with Exness, then log into that account inside the MetaTrader 5 platform using your login number, password, and the correct server. Exness's Help Center says your trading account login and server details are found in the My Accounts section of your personal area. To get started, sign in to your Exness Personal Area on the official Exness website. Then go to My Accounts and open the MT5 trading account you want to use. Exness says this is where you can find the account's login and server details. Make sure the account you're using is an MT5 account, not an MT4 account, because Exness also notes that MT5 credentials cannot be used to log in to MT4, and the same idea works the other way around. Now install and open MetaTrader 5 on your phone or computer. In MetaTrader 5, choose the option to log in to an existing account. Then search for the Exness server shown in your personal area, select it, and enter your Exness MT5 login number and trading password. MetaQuote says a real account is connected to MT5 by choosing the broker server and then logging in with the account credentials. After that, tap or click Sign In. If everything is correct, your Exness trading account will connect to MetaTrader 5, and your balance, symbols, and trading functions should appear in the platform. Exness also provides MT5 for desktop and mobile, so the same core login idea works on both. Now here's the most important troubleshooting tip. If the login fails, Exness says the most common cause is the wrong credentials, which can show errors like Authorization Failed or Invalid Account. Another common issue is choosing the wrong server. So if it doesn't work the first time, double-check 3 things. The account is really MT5, the login number is correct, and the server name matches exactly what Exness shows in your personal area. Exness also says older MT5 versions may stop connecting, so keeping the platform updated matters too. One more thing to remember is that MetaTrader 5 is only for trading. Exness says deposits, withdrawals, and broader account management are handled in Exness apps, or your personal area, not directly inside MT5. And that's how to link your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 5. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.